Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the nice London Panama Bumbag black bag, whatever you want to call it. It's also known as a fanny pack or a man bag. Oh, what's it called? Man bag? I don't know. But yeah. You take these to festivals and stuff or on holiday. I've decided to buy this to take on holiday because the place I'm going to is known for scams and thievery. What do you want to call it? Pickpockets, that's it. So the reason I bought this, so I can fit my phone in there, which is good, because my phone is worth £900. If you don't know, it's the Note 8. It's £869, pretty much 900. And then I carry my business phone as well, which is another 200. That's over £1,100 there. And then if I have that in my pocket, it's a very high risk. The way they do scams where I'm going on holiday, the way they do scams is pretty much they'll distract you, and then another 3 or 4 people will come at once and come and push past you and stuff, and within a second your stuff will be gone, you won't even realize. So this is a way to beat that, I guess. So what you want to do is put your belongings in here and stuff like that. Wear this fanny pack underneath your clothes, so they can't see it, it's not visible, and it's a lot harder for them to get underneath your clothes and open the zip, if you know what I mean, rather than just taking out your pocket or opening a zip pocket for you and taking it out. It's a lot harder. So this is definitely worth the buy. So there was 2 versions of this. I got the full black one. There was another one which was full reflective. It beats the purpose. It looks a lot better than this one, but it beats the purpose. If you're going for a festival, get the reflective one. That's really sexy. If you would just want to protect your items from foreign country, when you're going to a foreign country, from getting robbed and stuff, go for the black one. Sleek black, that's nice. Quite thin, you know, and I like it. So the main purpose for this, you can put money in it. If you're a drug dealer, you can put drugs in there. If you put your phone in there, that's what we're doing. You can put your phone in there. So I like the branding in here. It's got nice London branding all over inside it. Got the website there, Instagram, Facebook, blah blah blah. Made in China, 100% polyester lining, 100% nylon core outer. Wipe clean with the damp cloth. Yes, very good. So it feels like good quality. Coming from China, that's good as well. That's like, this is rubber and it's embossed, if you can see. Very nice. You can feel it, it's really good. It's a bit dirty there, I'm not sure what that is. God knows. No problem though. And yeah, got the nice London logo there as well. That's embroidered as well, if you can see. Okay, and then this is a small pouch. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put in there. Probably money. So the small one will have the money in, my euros or whatever I use, and this will have my phones or something in, whatever. And then yeah, just close this up. So the quality of this is very good. You got this strap here. So what you do is wrap this around your body and stick this on. Simple clip on like that, and then you can adjust the size of your to adjust to your waist size, I guess. But I don't know where this extra wire would go. Would it go down your pants or something? Oh, I'm not sure. Really have no idea. But yeah, you got this extra long if you need it. Who's going to be that big? But who knows? Just me judging, I guess. So that's the full length. Yeah, that still don't work. Oh, that could be why. There you go. So that's the full length. Actually, that's not big actually. It looked big before, that's my bad for judging, sorry about that. But yeah, that's not that big. That'd probably fit me. Maybe a bit smaller than that, but that would fit me. It was good fit for that. So yeah, let me try this on anyway. You can actually wear this on your chest as well if you want to do. That's up to you. This actually fits me well at the full size. I'm going to take this off. Yeah, it's just a bit bigger than I thought. So let me try making a bit more contour. There you go. So yeah, that fits me well. Let me just show you that. So yeah, that's on my body right now. Sorry, I'm naked at the moment. Well, I'm just topless, but yeah, that fits on your body. The reason I'm topless is heat wave in the UK, and I'm recording at 4 AM in the morning. So I'm boiling, and the room I'm in right now is very hot. The lights, I think I've showed it before in the video. The lights in this room go past 60 degrees in heat temperature, and there's 4 of them. Just show you what they look like. So these lights are very high power. They give off 60 degrees of heat, which is very bad, and they heat up the kitchen, which is very bad. So yeah, so you see what it looks like on body. It's pretty stylish if you want to use it. Got the nice branding there, which is good. I like it. So yeah. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Please check out my other videos. If you have anything you want me to review, please let me know. I'll go ahead and buy it and review. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.